Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Okay, so we are doing the exercise
Sir, 3D.
3D, and we have started doing the word
Yes.
problems.
Yes, sir.
I think we have done
Yes,
till
sir.
question number 10. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Question number 10.
Today we will start to 11 question.
Okay, we will start with question number 11. Beta, please keep your mics off. मैंने ऑफ करा. चलिए. So question number 11. 3D. A tin holds 16.5 liters of oil. How many such tins will be required to hold 478.5 liters of oil? Um, so capacity of a tin, capacity of a tin is equal to 16.5 liters. इतना oil आ सकता है एक tin में 16.5 liters. And how many tins are required to hold 478.5 liters of oil? So
Yes.
number of tins required to hold, number of tins required
Sir, 9 or 10 question. Answer.
to hold. Beta, we have done the 10th one. Yesterday we did it. Ninth, I have not asked you to do because all the questions are of same time. We will not be doing all the questions. Number of tins required to hold how much? 478.5 liters of oil. क्या होगा? You divide 478.5 by 16.5. Divide and tell the answer. तो इसको पहले क्या करेंगे देखो, because the divisor has a decimal in it, so you will first convert it into the divisor you will make as a whole number. How? दोनों जगह से न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में से डेसिमल एक एक प्लेस आगे बढ़ा देंगे. सो 4785 divided by 165. Divide and tell the answer.
So there will be no is equals to sign in the second statement.
Where? It is there at the
The
bottom. The statement is
in the
completing here.
second. Okay.
Here. वहाँ पे जगह नहीं थी ना. I am completing the statement here.
Okay. Sir. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
That the second statement is does not number of tins required to hold 478.5 liter of oil.
Yes.
So then it is equal to and divide by
Yes.
161.
Yes. वहाँ ऊपर वाली लाइन में ना there was not enough space.
Okay.
That is why I wrote it below. Okay.
So actually, I was confused in the numbering, but I was okay with the alphabets one.
Okay.
Sir, done.
Yes, sir. Done.
Sir, my answer is 29.
Okay, 29 is the answer. Check your answers, all of you.
Yes, my answer is also the same.
Okay, very
Yes, sir. Mine also.
Okay, now can you all do the 14th one on your own?
Yes, sir.
14th
Yes,
one.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, try it. कोई प्रॉब्लम हो तो मुझे पूछिए, ठीक है? Do the 14th.
Sir, your voice is coming low.
Voice is coming low. I'm saying
No,
that
sir.
do the 14th one. Do question number 14 on your own. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, sir, 12 and 13 is the homework.
Out of these two, the 13th one is homework.
Okay, sir.
13th is your homework. 14th you have to do right now. Okay.
Answer means 12 we have to skip.
Yes. Don't do the 12th one.
Answer 29.
Yes. 29 is the answer of 11th one. Correct. Now do the 14th.
Yes.
Do the 14th one.
Sir, done. Sir, done.
Okay, just wait, let everyone else also complete.
Sir,
Then
done.
we will start with the next one. Okay.
So just completing.
Okay, okay, complete it.
Sir, my answer is 40.
Sorry, what is the answer?
Sir, done. Sir, 40.
40, 40.
My answer is also 40. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Sir, yes, sir, my answer is so
okay,
same. Sir, my answer is 40.
very good. Okay. Okay, we are starting with the next question.
Yes.
Okay, 14th one, the answer is 4040. Any problem, anyone? In 14th
No,
question,
sir. No, sir. No, sir, no doubt.
if you
No,
have any
sir.
doubt, I can do it here on the board for you. No problem.
No, sir.
No, sir, no problem.
Okay. So, question 15. Question 15. Mr. Sony bought some bags of cement, each weighing 49.8 kg. मिस्टर सोनी ने कुछ बैग खरीदे, हर एक बैग का वेट है 49.8 kgs. If the total weight of all the bags is 1792.8 kgs, how many bags did he buy? अरे मर गए, इतना डिफिकल्ट क्वेश्चन. चलिए, so weight of each bag. Mr. Sony bought some bags where the weight of each bag is given 49.8 kgs. Okay. Now the total weight of all the bags, that is also given. उन्हें एक बैग का वेट याद है, सारे बैग्स का टोटल वेट भी याद है, लेकिन सिर्फ इतना याद नहीं कि मैंने टोटल बैग्स कितने खरीदे थे. बहुत अजीब बात है. बैग्स के वेट्स याद हैं कितने कितने, लेकिन ये याद नहीं कितने बैग खरीदे थे. चलिए, सो टोटल weight of all the bags is given 1900, sorry, 1792.8 kgs. So number of bags that he bought. अच्छा, टोटल वेट पहले मैं लिख देता हूँ. टोटल वेट ऑफ ऑल द बैग्स 1792.8 kgs. Now weight of each, sorry, number of bags. Number of bags 1792.8 divided by 49.8, which is also equal to 17928 upon 498. मैंने डेसिमल हटा दिया, देखिए न्यूमरेटर डिनोमिनेटर दोनों में से वन वन प्लेस डेसिमल को राइट साइड में मूव करा दिया. So that means
So
17928 upon 498. You can divide and find the answer. Division मैं नहीं करूँगा, मैंने बहुत सारा division कर लिया. You will do the division.
so your voice is coming like a robot.
अच्छा,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
really?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will see the in the recording also. That means it will sound like a robot only. I will.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I don't know how it is happening, but I will see the recording and कितना time हुआ है अभी? 20 minutes in the meeting. So 20 minutes के आसपास देखूंगा मैं. Otherwise, I don't see my recordings. I don't have. No one sees the recordings. So I will see. Is it still sounding like a robot?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा.
It's somewhat now sounding, but now it's somewhat
Yes.
sounding, but so उससे पहले थोड़ा तेज sound कर रहा था.
Okay.
Yes, sir. बहुत.
अच्छा. Okay. Find the answer.
So 36. Sir, my answer is 36. Sir, my also 36.
So 36.
Yes, sir. 36.
Okay. Chalo, let everyone finish it. Okay. Let's do the next one, which is question number 17. This period gets over at 9:45.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer of this one? Question 15. What's the answer?
36.
36.
36.
Yes, sir. So we'll not do the 16 one.
No, beta. 16th is your homework. 16th you all will try in homework. It is same as the questions that we have done before. Okay. So question number 17.
So can you please repeat what are you saying?
I'm saying that 16th you will do on your own in homework. And we are now
Just-
starting with question number 17. Fine.
Okay, so thank you.
Yes, sir.
In question 17, it is written that the product of two decimals is
Question number
200
16.
16 is homework. The product of two decimals is rupees 261. Sorry, not rupees. Two decimals. दो decimals का product है 261.36. If one of them is 17.6, find the other. Okay. So let the other number be x. मान लेते हैं जो मिसिंग नंबर है वो x है. अब यहाँ पे लिखा है दो नंबर्स का प्रोडक्ट. कौन कौन से दो नंबर? 17.6 एंड x. दूसरा वाला
206. Okay.
दूसरा that is
So
missing.
2
The second one is missing. So product of these two numbers is given 261.36.
261.36.
Okay, understood the equation? Product of two numbers, जिसमें से पहला
Yes,
वाला
sir.
given था 17.6. The other one we have assumed as x. Okay. So the product of these two is 261.36. Now x will be equal to 261.36. Sorry, 36 divided by 17.6. डेसिमल को एक एक प्लेस आगे बढ़ा देते हैं. 2613.6 अपॉन 176. Divide and find the answer. Any problem in the concept? Anyone?
No, sir.
So find the value of x, all of you.
Okay, sir. Sir, the answer is 14.85.
Yes, sir. My answer is also. Yes, sir. 14.85.
14.85. Okay, 14.8.
Yes, sir.
All of you, please complete it. Uh, Complete the division. Okay, all of you done this?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we will now start with the new chapter. The next chapter that we will start is lines and angles. आज
Yes,
start
sir.
नहीं करना चाहिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है. 5 minutes रह गए. What do you think? When
So
the
which
We
chapter?
can
the
learn the basic concept.
lines and angles.
Lines and angles.
Yes. Chapter 13. Am I right? Chapter 13 है ना? हाँ. Chapter 13 lines and angles.
Yes,
We
sir.
will do this chapter the next, but not today.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
अब आज क्या करते हैं? आज कुछ बातें कर लेते हैं या कुछ नया सीख लेते हैं और
Yes.
So I have a fact.
yes please tell.
So, when there was just like black and white pictures, then the dreams of the men's and women's, all the persons were having black dreams, only like black and white dreams. When like colorful pictures came, then the dreams were also
Dreams
colorful.
became colorful. अरे वाह.
So just so that time when there were black and white pictures, that time only 10% of people were having um, colorful
Colored
dreams. And yes, sir. And now at a time, only 10% of people are there who are having black and white dreams.
Okay. क्या बात है यार. बड़ा अजीब सा फैक्ट है. अच्छा कुछ ऐसा है कि when we go back in history long back where there were no pictures, तब ऐसा होता था कि ड्रीम्स ही नहीं आते थे. ऐसा भी होता था. मतलब ब्लैक एंड व्हाइट पिक्चर्स आए तो
I don't
ब्लैक
know
एंड व्हाइट
about
ड्रीम्स
that.
हो गए. कभी ऐसा होता होगा कि when there was no camera no pictures, तो ऐसा भी होता होगा there are no dreams.
So Lagan is the sir, in Bollywood, Lagan is the movie. Lagan is the only movie in which there are most Britishers.
No, most Britishers.
Yes, sir.
अच्छा. और
Sir, I have a riddle.
यस हाँ प्लीज परिधि.
Yes, sir.
रिडल.
What has
परिधि इज आस्किंग अ रिडल. परिधि पूछो.
what has 6 faces but does not wear makeup and 21 eyes but cannot see?
योर वॉइस इज नॉट कमिंग क्लियर. परिधि प्लीज टेल अगेन. थोड़ा माइक को दूर करके बोलना जरा सा. हाँ.
What has 6 faces?
What has six
6 faces?
face?
Yes, sir.
Six
But
faces.
does
Six
not
face.
but does not wear makeup and 21 eyes but cannot see.
21 eyes but cannot see.
Yes, sir.
So doesn't so faces one. I think that cube or cuboid. After when she said that it is also having eyes, so I don't.
Maybe flower?
Is it a cube? वो Rubik's cube आंसर है क्या?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा वेरी गुड. ये तो वृंदा ने बताया आंसर. वृंदा को पहले से पता था.
No, so I'm listening this first time, but I think sir, six faces are only in cubes and cuboids.
करेक्ट. वेरी गुड. वृंदा
So do
कहाँ
you
से
know
इतनी.
that?
वृंदा को हर चीज के बारे में इतनी ज्यादा नॉलेज है. वृंदा को ये भी पता है
So
कि लायन का वेट कितना होता है, लायन की एज कितनी होती है, लायन सुबह नाश्ते में क्या खाता है, रात को डिनर में क्या लेता है, दिन में कभी जैसे डिनर कर लिया तो क्या खाता है, रात में लंच कर लिया तो क्या खाता है, ये भी पता है वृंदा को. वृंदा भक्ति का मालूम है? भक्ति क्या खाती है दिन में रात में?
yes, sir.
भक्ति भक्ति दिन में और रात में क्या खाती है, ये आपको मालूम है?
I don't know, but she irritates
देखो
me a
अपनी
lot.
अपनी अपनी सिस्टर के बारे में नहीं मालूम है, लेकिन लायन, टाइगर, पैंथर और वुल्फ के बारे में सब कुछ मालूम है वृंदा को।
No, so actually, every day our food is changed, so I don't know like that.
चलो, anyone else telling any fact or a riddle if you want to ask a riddle or any fact? हाँ, सानिया
It's the
बताइए।
fact.
सानिया।
Sir, who created his? I have in fact who created the TV, and he does not allow his own children to watch TV.
वॉच टीवी, अरे वाह, खुद टीवी बनाया और खुद अलाउ नहीं करा। मैं भी ऐसे ही करूंगा, खुद मैथ्स पढ़ाता हूँ, बच्चों को मैथ्स नहीं पढ़ने दूंगा। नहीं, हाँ, यस, एनीवन गिविंग द आंसर? किसी के पास है आंसर इसका? Who created TV but does not allow his own children to watch TV?
ये तो
So the
fact
creator
है.
of TV.
Sir,
Yes, what is the answer, Sania? Give the answer.
Sir,
I don't
it's
know,
only
own
a
creator of
fact.
TV.
It's a fact. Acha, the one who created. Acha, you were telling a fact. The one who created. I thought it is a question. The one who created the TV, he did not allow his own children to see TV. Wow.
I am having two facts about ketchup.
हाँ, जल्दी बताओ, time is about to end. जल्दी बताइए।
Yes, sir. So ketchup in 1890s was used as a medicine, and before